So today we're working on the Trailblazer. We're going to do the power steering pump and the cooler. Got all these tools. Spend about $400 on all this shit right here, not counting that. That'll bring it up to $500. That'll bring it up to $600. Gonna jack up the truck, take off the front bumper, the grill, and we're gonna start putting this in. I'll film when I get to that point. Peace. First time seeing this in here since November 2019. This is the brand new one. Just put it on after a pain in the ass. We're gonna put the pulley on now with the pulley puller. Homie gave me the wrong one. I told him 3 times, so I was there. It's not the right one. I need the one with this piece in it. He didn't give it to me, but I'm gonna go put this on. Then I'll film the clip when I open this up and put this bitch in. And yeah, let's get to it. All painted up, looking good. New pump, old reservoir. New belt, all this shit put back in for the first time since fucking November. Now we're connecting the cooler and we're done. Been at this since 10 a.m. It is now 4:30, I think. And I've only been working on it for about an hour and a half, I think, total. Which shouldn't even take that long. That's because I got the wrong kit before. But I'm putting this in and I'm calling it for today. I'll probably upload this to tomorrow because I already uploaded a video today. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so this is the last part of the power steering job I got to do. Been at it for like an hour and a half so far today. Been non-stop since I woke up though at like 8 o'clock, just buying tools, parts, and everything shit. But about to put this in. This one went bad last summer on my brother when he was using it. It drained out all the power steering fluid and then seized the pump up because it overheated obviously and had no fluid in it. And got a new belt on, so that snapped. And then yeah, the new pump. Just gonna put this on and call it a day, and then we'll do the 4-corner lift kit Monroe Strut replacement. Tomorrow we'll start that. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't much because I didn't get the SD card yet for this phone. Right now what I'm doing is I'm gonna assemble this onto the Monroe quick strut. I'm gonna try and film that. That video will be out soon. Try and film more on that. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on IG right here.